Hey guys, just a little bit on the Carnival celebration, the Cloud 9 Spa and the Thermal Suite. The spa is wonderful. It is the same thing on the Mardi Gras and the Jubilee, currently the 3XL ships. Um, just a brief overview, if you've not been on the XL ships, you embark on deck 6, and that is actually the same deck as you will be getting to the spa. Once you check into the spa, then you have to go downstairs to deck 5. If you need an elevator, there is an elevator that goes just between those two decks in the spa, just for the spa. And then you go down a little bit of a hallway when you get on deck 5, and the thermal spa is around the corner. You do have to have a special pass to get in there, just as any other ship that has a thermal suite. So we did a couple videos. We thankfully got in there one day and there was nobody in the spa, which is very, very rare. But take a look at a couple of the videos and let us know what you think. So just a few pointers. There are signs to be quiet, but when there's a few people in there and they're in the thermal hot tub, they are not quiet typically. If there's couples, sometimes it's quiet, but if there's single people doing solo cruises or they're the only ones in their cabin that go down to the spa, there's a lot of talking and it gets really loud because there is no absorption due to the fact that everything is tile. So just beware that it could go either way when you're in the hot tub or on those weird looking chairs that are tile. They're actually heated and they're actually very comfortable. Just make sure that you put a towel down before you sit on them, or you might have burn marks where you don't want to have burn marks, and then when you go to sit somewhere else, it's gonna hurt. Hope you had fun. Let us know what you think, and let us know if you did the spa already on the XL or one of the other class ships. The Magic's thermal spa is pretty cool, but there's a lot of other things out there, and there's some ships that don't have it. So just let us know what you think. Thanks. We'll see you later. Bye.